Good day, everyone, especially to our instructor, Miss Atina Marisi Madera. This is my Picha Kucha presentation. I want to introduce myself. My name is Cristina Mustache Bungalos, and I'm 18 years old, and I live in Barangay San Isidro, Maynit, Surigao del Norte. I want to introduce you. This is my mother. My mother passed away when I was 5 years old. We grow up without her by our side, but at least she gave birth to us. I'm not here without her, but unfortunately, she's gone when we need her. But thanks God because we're raised by our grandmother, a mother who taught me and also us the most important aspect as a person should be, and that is how to be respectful with one another and to be grateful with all the things that we have right now. And this is my grandfather, a father who always there for us, to protect us, to provide everything just to have enough food to eat every day. A father who's going to farm early in the morning just to survey everything was going fine. This is my family. This picture shows that we celebrated the 50th golden wedding anniversary of our grandparents. I want to see them happy forever and stay by our side forever and never leave us. And so, still my family, we've been incomplete here, but our bonding was success because we give joy and love when we were together. And so, I'm hoping we complete soon as we can. This is my auntie, one of my favorite auntie among the five. She's the most special for me because she's always there for me. She's not selfish, not toxic person, but a loving and caring mother to her son, and also a loving and caring auntie to us. This is my aunties. They're all good, but some of their attitudes are unacceptable. But they are still good aunties for us. So I'm so grateful to have them into our life, to have them also in my life. This is my sisters. We're six, but we don't have pictures to each other, so I didn't include them here. But even though I want to introduce you, my big brother went to Camiguin to work, and so he can support everything. And this is my cousin. Some of my cousins were not close that much because we're only seeing each other sometimes and not close when it comes to public. We can talk when we gather, and so we don't have enough. I meet these new people when they hire me as a caregiver of this young man. They're so good to me. They treat me as their relative, and I'm thankful that I meet them. This is my neighbors. And neighbors always give us a news. This picture show that we're having our clean up drive to our porok. And so we can maintain the cleanliness of our porok. This is my classmates. This is my classmates who give me advice when I'm feeling down. I have a problem when I was senior high. I want to share it, but I rather keep it private. My classmates were always there for me to comfort me, to motivate me so that I can continuously study until I graduate. And this is the time that we're helping each other to have a success defense, but fortunately we made it because we have a good leader who told us, even if you forgot your part, I'm here to back up you. And so this is the love of my life. This is the love of my life, yes. Honestly, this is the guy who gave me assurance, love that I deserve. He always there for me, to support me, to give everything I ask for. But beforehand, wala, nakalimut na ako. Beforehand, I want to graduate to my graduate, the course that I'm taking right now. And so I can find a stable job that suits for my course. And after that, I want to balance my life and work to avoid sickness and to maintain a happy day with a balanced life. A happy day, a happy life with a balanced life and work. And I want to travel to my dream place, which is Korea. I'm not going there to meet my idol because I do believe it's rare to meet them, but I want to travel every cities that they have to see the beautiful scenery of Korea. And when I have money, I can go shopping to buy everything I want to buy without looking or thinking about the price, but the quality. I hope so soon. And lastly, I want to play badminton, one of my hobbies, to enjoy life playing my favorite game. And so, thank you for listening. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you, guys. And that's all for today. Thank you.